Kyle Lowry got the 11th triple-double of his career, 10 points, 10 rebounds, 12 assists as he lobs DeRozan. Speaking of DeRozan, he had 31 points tonight with 73% shooting, 14 of 19 from the field. He could not miss. What a Euro step there. Nets trying to stay in this game early on. And you do that by attacking the basket. He's going to drive left, get the tough and one layup to fall. Nets with a slight lead. Lowry dancing a little bit. He almost turns the ball over, but Valanciunas gonna save that play with the hook shot. Transition basketball. Lowry just gonna launch it from way downtown. Who told him to do that? Why did he do that? Why does he just pop threes from Steph Curry range? DeRozan kicks it into the corner. Ibaka gonna hit him with a step back mid-range, gets it to fall. Raptors up big, another turnover. DeRozan's gonna run away with it. He's going coast to coast, goes behind the back for the layup. The bench and the fans are loving it. Third quarter is officially a murder. Raptors cruise to victory. I'll dump it off to the flat, to LT. Oh, the spin move. Oh, wait a second, in the open field. Got him leaning. Are you serious? 28 seconds left. I'm a savage. Touchdown. Wow. That was beautiful.